What's up? How many of y'all are running your dual battery system? How many of y'all have got that on your to-do list? How many of y'all want to do it? I will have links in the corner up there on how I did mine. And mine is awesome. I love it. I've got range. Still don't have 70 plus miles range out of 2 batteries. So what I want to talk about today is running 1 battery at a time until it dies and then switching to the other battery, or running both batteries together. Personally, I've kind of done a couple of tests and I find I like it better. I find I got better performance by running both batteries, but I get comments from people saying, oh, I wouldn't do it that way. So let's talk about that. Now, the way I've got mine set up, to refresh your memory, the battery is in here. I got a wire running down into the down tube into a splitter. Turn the ignition on. Nothing. I got to turn on a battery. I got to select which battery I wish to run. Or if I want to run both, then I got to turn them both on. So if I just want to run the junk bike battery, I just push that little green light down and I'm good. The only thing I'm running is this. This is not connected in any which way until I turn my selector switch here on. Now I've got both batteries feeding into that splitter at the same time. I can turn this off and now I've only got the new battery on here. Turn that off, everything goes off. Ignition's still on, but no batteries are connected. All right, so let's go inside to my white paper and I'm going to show you why I think it's best for me to run both batteries together. Does that make sense? Yeah, let's go inside. All right, so what I want to do in this video is explain to you my own personal reasoning behind running 2 batteries at the same time versus 1 at a time. So this is our time of the day. And this is our voltage, plus or minus. How's that? So let's start out with the juiced bike battery. So you start out, you turn it on, you start riding, everything's good, and then very shortly you start feeling the battery die off. We're gonna ride it all down to nothing. That's your juiced bike battery. Then let's switch over to our new battery. So boom, our power curve goes back up to the top, and the new battery, for whatever reason, whether the juiced bike is junk, duh, or the new battery is just newer, your power curve kind of comes like this. Got it? Now, here's what I'm trying to avoid. Those low parts of low power. Now, let's do the same thing. This is your time. And this is your battery. Both batteries. Here's what I have found. Both of them on, your power curve goes like this. Now the other thing is, depending on where you're riding and how long you're riding, I could be home by here. Which means I've had good plenty of power to ride here and I never experienced any of this. So what do you think? Does that make sense to you? Are you running batteries separately, 1 at a time until they die? Or are you running both together for a better power curve? Leave me a comment down below. What do you think? 1 battery, 2 batteries? What are you doing? What will you do when you put your new battery on your bike and you're running dual batteries? That's it. That's all I got. See ya.